This is a basic video tutorial on how to use formulas in Excel. Here we have a table of X and Y values with their corresponding absolute uncertainties in X and Y. To calculate the percentage uncertainty in X, we use the equal sign. We click on the absolute uncertainty in X divided by the value in X. Make sure we bracket it up so that when we multiply it by 100, we are multiplying the whole fraction by 100. To repeat the formula for all the other rows, hover the cursor over the cell and hover it over the bottom right corner until it becomes a black cross. Click on it and drag it down. That will repeat the formula for all the rows. We can do the same for the percentage uncertainty in Y. Use the equal sign, pick on the absolute uncertainty in Y, divide by the value in Y, put it in brackets, and multiply it by 100. Okay, and by using the black cross, drag the cursor across all rows and we repeat the formula for all rows. If we wanted to multiply two numbers together, for instance X and Y, to make Z, we use equal sign again. We picked on the value of X and use the multiply key and pick on a value in Y and press enter. So we've got the first row formulation done, and we can repeat it for all the other rows. Since Z is the multiplication of X and Y, the percentage uncertainty in Z will be the percentage uncertainty of X added to the percentage uncertainty of Y. So we can use equal sign again and add the percentage uncertainty in X to the percentage uncertainty in Y. And we can repeat the process for all the rows. Now that we've worked out the percentage uncertainty in Z, we can then work out the absolute uncertainty in Z by taking the percentage uncertainty in Z divided by 100, because percentages are fractions out of 100, and then multiplying it by the Z value itself. We can then repeat the process for all the other rows. Other useful functions are the power function. For instance, if you wanted to square Z, we can pick on the Z value, use the caret key, and in this case, since we want to square it, it is the power of 2. And we can repeat the process for all the other rows. Another useful function is square root. So by the same means, I can use the caret key. First of all, I need to click on Z, use the caret key, which denotes power, and use half to denote square root. And here we have the square root of Z. Another useful function is the average. By using the equal sign and typing average, we can average across as many cells as you like. In this example, I'm going to average across the first 4 cells by dragging across the 4 cells, and that gives me an average of the first 4 cells, and that can be repeated across all rows. This concludes this video tutorial. Thank you.